If you are looking to restore an archived classroom, just go to classroom.google.com, and I'm looking now at the home screen for Google Classroom where I see all of my different classrooms in this view. And from here, I'm going to come over to the top left next to where it says Google Classroom, click on the three horizontal lines, which will bring me into the main menu. Once I'm in the main menu, I'm going to scroll to the bottom of that and find Archived Classes. Click on Archived Classes, and here you'll see all of the classrooms that have been archived will appear. If we go into the classroom that you would like to restore, go to where you see the title, and then click on the three vertical dots to pull up that menu that appears here next to the title. So to the right of the title, I'm going to click on the three vertical dots, and then I'm going to choose Restore. I'll get a message that myself and any of the students who were enrolled in this class would be able to interact with this class again, and I'll click here to restore. It'll put my class back. If I come back here to that main menu and go to Classes, once again, you will find that the classroom I just restored takes a minute or two, but it will pop up here back on my home screen of my classes. It is no longer grayed out. I can click onto it and get back into it just like I was able to always use it before. So that will get you a classroom restored from being archived.